With recipe-based modeling, chemists and engineers can work together to develop new processes faster, remove equipment and schedule limitations, and transfer technology smoothly between sites and departments. With this complete capability, develop and transfer batch processes from lab to manufacturing. Development engineers are often challenged by time-consuming scale-up issues, which often involve multiple sites or departments to rectify. Development efforts can be further hindered by limited equipment availability, resulting from a lack of visibility into scheduling options. Process knowledge kept in documents and spreadsheets makes data transfer difficult, preventing new processes from reaching manufacturing scale quickly. With Aspen Batch Process Developer, use recipe-based modeling solutions to develop your batch process from lab to plant using models that grow with the scale of your batch process. Recipe-based modeling with Aspen Batch Process Developer is flexible with the ability to simulate single batches or entire campaigns. Encompassing, unifying process design and scheduling. And powerful, backed by the best library of physical properties. SI Group uses this unique functionality to scale up new processes and products and to develop standard recipes. Imagine the value of this application for your organization. Learn more on aspentech.com.